Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start Hyundai Genesis with key full guide. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat, insert the mechanical key into the ignition slot and turn clockwise until the engine starts. Check that the gear is in park and your foot is on the brake before turning. If the engine does not respond, remove the key, wait a few seconds, then try again while holding the key steady. Check your key battery and fob function before attempting to start, as weak batteries can prevent recognition. For mechanical key backup, ensure the key blade is not damaged and lubricate the lock if stiff. If the car shows a security or immobilizer warning, try locking and unlocking the doors with the remote, wait 30 seconds, then attempt to start again while holding the key near the steering column and retest. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more car tips. On another note, I love these bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use daily. They store parts and small tools neatly. Check the description for that item and other deals, and while you're there, tap the link to help the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If the engine cranks but does not start, check fuel level and listen for the fuel pump priming when you turn the key to accessory. Release the steering wheel and try rocking it while turning the key if a steering lock engages. For persistent no starts, consult a certified technician or roadside assistance to avoid damaging the starter or electrical system. Also inspect fuses and consider a battery load test at a shop before replacing expensive components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.